If technology has brought the world to your living room, innovations in technology have gone a step further, integrating your world, work, family and leisure in one master stroke. PCVS, a new product from Moschip, India's only semiconductor and full service, that is, concept to system solution provider with a global footprint, promises to revolutionize the way we live and work. Working in isolation can now be replaced by working with inclusion, which is indeed the new mantra for harmonious living and effective working.
Most homes have a lot of CPU horsepower and which is underutilized. And nowadays you talk about the smart TVs, and it's just a new terminology where the TVs are getting a little bit more smarter. But there is an installed base of about several hundred million TVs that are not smart. They just take the information and display it. And what we are considering and what we have done is to bring the CPU horsepower onto the existing TVs and make them very smart, and in the process you will be able to utilize the horsepower of the CPU. At the same time, it will be available to you in your living room without having to move away from there.
The Moschip PCVS box, when connected to the television set in the living room and your local home network, enables you to access your computer located in any part of the house. On your TV, watch high-definition movies.
For in our quest to protect the humans, a deeper revelation dawns.
And play HD games from your PC. You can connect and browse internet, watch YouTube and listen to music using the PC horsepower. See your friends and family on your TV via a Skype chat while you sit nestled in the comfort of your living room.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Yeah, fine. Nothing is my dear. Yeah. So this is the last one.
With PCVS, the joy of working and bonding with the family are established and enhanced.
At the touch of a button, they'll be able to play video games, internet browsing, and do all the things that a PC can do without having to move away from the living room. You could be sitting in your living room enjoying your conversation with your family and doing your work at the same time. You'll be able to bring up your PowerPoint, you'll be able to quickly attend to it, you can check your emails, you can also get into a voice conference chatting, and all of that from your living room without having to get out of your sofa. And now we're leveraging that experience and moving towards the services angle, where we are going to be able to provide from concept all the way through silicon, through software, to a system level solution. So we are an end-to-end solution provider, which is very unique, and you're not going to be able to find that kind of a company in India.
Moschip is a company committed to leveraging technology for quality living and equipping you to tackle challenges beyond frontiers, says Mr. Ramchandra Reddy, Chairman of Moschip.